Okay, so we're going to have the membrane structure of the ventral body cavity. So we're going to have our anterior part of our cavities. So we're looking at the membrane of this and how it's made out. So this is kind of like an example. They want you to pretend that you put your fist in like it's a balloon around it, but that's kind of hard to explain. Sorry about this cold here. But so we have, pretend that little dot right there, let me point to it right there. That little dot would be our organ. The first surrounding that covers it would be our visceral membrane that's right around it. And then basically this whole white is going to be the serous membrane. Hold on, I'm trying to take this off. I'm trying to take my pen off so I can draw in. Okay, so that white is going to be the serous membrane. Then we have our serous fluid, kind of like that was right there. The serous fluid is very important for organs that need to move. Like they use an example of the pumping heart, because that needs to move and be able to glide across it without any damage. When the serous fluid starts to dry out, that's where you get some big problems, and then that becomes a homeostatic imbalance, which is not good, and you need to be able to maintain your homeostasis, or else you'll die. So when you have a homeostatic imbalance, it's very bad and it's very serious. A lot of disease can be cause that to happen. That's not good. So after you have the serous fluid, it's going to be the parietal wall, or membrane wall. I don't explain it. It's hard to I can't read it. It's kind of like really hard to read. Parietal, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the wall around it right there. You see how that's the kind of like the wall enclosing everything in. That's going to be the parietal. Parietal is always going to be like the wall of a membrane. Looking at it, I believe it's called the parietal serous membrane, probably. Parietal serous, you could call it, or something like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much the structure of it. It wasn't really explained that well, but yeah, just talking about it, you get a sense of, understanding and seeing how the layers work. The first one's visceral, second one would be the serous membrane, and you look at, because the serous membrane's like right here on the outer part of the white, then you have your serous membrane or serous fluid all around here, making everything mobile. It's like a lubricant type of substance. And you have your whole wall around it, which is the parietal wall, or parietal membrane. So yeah, it's very interesting to talk about this. It's kind of a hard topic to grasp, just like reading it in a book. I had to look at YouTube and see how YouTube does it. So now I'm trying to explain it myself to actually, see how good my understanding is, but also to see, if I can help out any other people. Maybe it makes sense, maybe it doesn't. Who knows? But I'm happy to do it, and I'm enjoying this and having a good time with the human anatomy and physiology. So, peace.